Let us see the types of matrices. So first type is row matrix. The matrix having only one row is called as a row matrix. In the matrix A, there are elements 2, 3 and -1 in the first row, and the order is 1 by 3 because there is only one row and 3 columns, 1, 2 and 3 columns, so order is 1 by 3. See the second example. In this matrix B, the elements are cos x, e to the power x, log x and x square plus 1. Order of this matrix is 1 by 4. So again it is a row matrix having only one row and the columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. Vertical are columns, horizontal are row. So its order is 1 by 4. This is also a row matrix. Third example, in the matrix C, the elements are 3 and -1. So order is 1 by 2. So in general, we can say that order of a row matrix is 1 by n, one row and any number of column it can have. See the second type, it's column matrix. In column matrix, there is only one column. In this matrix, the column is 2, -3 and 0. And the rows are 2 first row, -3 element of second row and 0 is the element of the third row. So order of this matrix is 3 by 1. Always we write the number of rows first and then the number of columns. So order of this matrix is 3 by 1. In second example, there are 2 rows, sin x cos x, and the column is only 1. So this matrix is again a column matrix of order 2 by 1. And the third example, here the number of rows are 4 and the column is 1 only, so it is the column matrix of order 4 by 1. In general, we can say that order of the column matrix as m by n, any number of rows and only one column. Then third type is square matrix. In the square matrix, the number of rows are equal to number of columns. So first row is 2 and 4. Second row is 9 and -1. And first column is 2 and 9. And the second column is 4 and -1. So there are 2 columns, 2 rows and 2 columns. Order of this matrix is 2 by 2. Number of rows is equals to number of columns. In the next example, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. Order of this matrix is 3 by 3. -3, 0 and 1, first row, 1 by 2, 7, 1, second row, 0.546, third row. And similarly, the columns are, these 3 are the columns. So order of this matrix is 3 by 3. Again, number of rows is equals to number of columns. It is a square matrix of order 3. In this example, there is only one element, order is 1 by 1. So this is the order of the matrix 1 by 1. It is the square matrix of order 1. Then children, there is a concept of diagonal elements in the square matrix. The elements which are in the position aij, where I is equals to j. So these are called as the diagonal elements. See in the example, in the matrix A, the elements are 4, 9, 2, -1. This 4 is the element of in the position A11. In the position Aij, while mentioning the position Aij, we write the number of row first and then the number of column. So 4 is the element of first row, first column, hence its position is A11. So A11 is 4. Then 9, position of this element is mentioned by A12. It is read as A12 and A12 is 9. So position of this element 9 is A12 because it is the element of first row and second column. Then see the position of this element. This is A21. A21 means it is the element of second row and first column. And this is A22 because it is the element of second row and second column. So the elements in which Aij, where I is equals to j, is called as the diagonal element. So 4 and -1, these are the diagonal elements because the position is A11 and A22 where I is equals to j is satisfied. I is 2, j is also 2. Here I is 1, j is also 1. So these are the diagonal elements of the matrix 4 and minus 1. These 2 and 9, these are not the diagonal elements. Why these are not the diagonal elements? Because here the condition I is not equal to I is equals to j is not satisfied. So A12 and A21, these elements are not the diagonal elements. In the matrix B, here the diagonal elements are 2, 1 and 1 by 2, because position of this 2 is A1, B1, 1. It is the element of first row, first column. Then position of this 1 is second row, second column. It is the element of second row, second column. So it is the element of B22. Position is B22. And 1 by 2, it is the element of third row, third column. So its position is B33. So these are the diagonal elements 2, 1, 1 by 2. These are the diagonal elements of the matrix. See the concept of diagonal matrix. This is the next type, diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which the non-diagonal elements are 0. So see the definition, the non-diagonal elements are 0. In this matrix, 5 and 4 are the diagonal elements, and other than the diagonal elements, rest of the elements are 0. In the next example, the diagonal elements are 2, 5, minus 1, and rest of the elements, that is non-diagonal elements, are 0. In this matrix also, the non-diagonal elements are 0. In the matrix, the diagonal elements are 9, 7, minus 3 and 0. So these are the diagonal elements. The remaining elements are 0. So the matrix in which the non-diagonal elements are 0 is called as the diagonal matrix.